Well, by now you're probably wondering what you're looking at. You're watching tools derust. I learned a new trick the other day from my good friend PhoneTech, aka Harold, down in Melbourne, Australia, who said that if you want to get rust off of tools, throw them in a bucket of denatured white vinegar. So I did. Took an old cat litter box, filled it up with about 3 liters of white vinegar, and tossed in some of my worst clamps, and there's a square in the bottom of it. And I did this yesterday, and so what you're looking at here is after about 12 hours, and you can see the rust has fallen off, literally fallen off, and the solution is bubbling, and it's just having a grand old time. I'll leave it in here for another day or so, and then pull them out tomorrow after work and wash them off and shoot them down with WD-40. And if this works as advertised, they'll be as good as new. I never knew this trick before. I wish I'd known it years ago, but in a place with 85% relative humidity, all of my steel tools get rusted out pretty badly. And I've got a bunch of them like this that I can do if this works. This is just the greatest thing since sliced bread. So we used to say if you want to have fun, go on down to Cole's parking lot and watch bumpers rust. Well, in this case, you're watching tools derust. This is just too much fun. So, here's another trick to stash for any of you who've got corrosion on tools or parts. Throw them in some white vinegar. Let nature take its course. Till then, take care. Sawdust Dave. We're out of here.